Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: kidney detox. Our kidneys play a vital role in eliminating waste and toxins from our bodies, so it's crucial to keep them healthy. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of creating your own kidney detox kit using natural ingredients. Let's get started. Before we begin, let's understand why a kidney detox is important. Our kidneys filter toxins from the blood, maintain fluid balance, and regulate blood pressure. Over time, these organs can become burdened with toxins and waste products. A kidney detox helps rejuvenate and support their natural function. Now, let's take a look at the ingredients you'll need for your DIY kidney detox kit. Remember, these are natural ingredients that promote kidney health and can be easily found. Organic dandelion root: it acts as a diuretic, supporting kidney function and aiding in toxin elimination. Fresh lemon juice, rich in citric acid, which helps prevent kidney stones and promotes kidney health. Fresh parsley, a natural diuretic that assists in flushing out toxins and reducing inflammation in the kidneys. Ginger root possesses anti-inflammatory properties supporting overall kidney health. Organic cranberry juice helps prevent urinary tract infections and supports the cleansing process. Distilled water: hydration is essential for maintaining kidney health. Now that we have our ingredients, let's prepare our DIY kidney detox kit. Remember, it's important to consult your doctor before starting any detox program. Step 1: take a clean glass jar or container. Step 2: add 1 tablespoon of organic dandelion root. Step 3: squeeze the juice of half a lemon into the jar. Step 4: chop a handful of fresh parsley and add it to the mixture. Step 5: grate a small piece of ginger root and include it as well. Step 6: pour 1 cup of organic cranberry juice into the jar. 7: fill the remaining space with distilled water. Step 8: seal the jar tightly and refrigerate it for at least 24 hours to allow the ingredients to infuse. Now that our DIY kidney detox kit is ready, let's discuss how to incorporate it into morning routine. Start your day by drinking a glass of warm water with the juice of half a lemon. This helps flush out toxins and alkalize the body. Throughout the day, consume the kidney detox mixture by adding 1 to 2 tablespoons to a glass of water and sipping it throughout the day. Stay hydrated, drink plenty of water to support the detoxification process and promote healthy kidney function. Healthy diet: avoid processed foods, excessive salt, and limit alcohol and caffeine consumption. Instead, focus on fresh fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins. Lifestyle changes: incorporate regular exercise, manage stress levels, and get enough sleep to support overall kidney health. Remember, a kidney detox should not be undertaken for an extended period. It's recommended to follow this routine for 1 to 2 weeks and then take a break before repeating it. If you have any pre-existing health conditions or are taking medication, consult your healthcare professional before starting any detox program. Congratulations! You now have your very own DIY kidney detox kit. By following this natural approach, you can support your kidneys' health and enhance their function. Remember, maintaining a healthy lifestyle, staying hydrated, and consuming a balanced diet are key to keeping your kidneys in optimal condition. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below.